guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. As you know from the title, we are actually going to be reviewing a Sam's Beauty wig, and it is the Vice Unit 2, and I have it in a number 1. I will open it up and let you see. It says Vice HD lace wigs, too good to be wrong. One is just not enough. So they have a lot of different Vice wigs that you can be able to get your hands on. This is by Sensationnel Vice HD lace. So, oh, honey. Okay, that was hard to get a package. So this is what it looks like. This is her on the stock card. It has the HD pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs, and it's like that. And it's theirs versus others. So the others is at the top. And it has a variety of colors that you can be able to get your hands on. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and just pop it on out. That way you can see what she looks like. I think this wig is really cute, and I love it because it looks like it's a side parting. And it is ear-to-ear lace. This is your parting space right here. It has a comb here, as well as a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So I really do like how the lace is. The lace is really nice and soft, and the parting is beautiful. This is really a beautiful wig. Really beautiful. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and pop this wig on. I'm probably not going to do much in front of you guys on the camera. I would prefer to just like style her, because you have seen so many videos from me, styling videos. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the side card off. And I'm just going to go ahead on and just pop her on, let you see what she look like. Okay, this is what she looks like. She's a very beautiful wig. Very beautiful. I like the fact that we have, oh, that was a piece of thread from somewhere. I like the fact that we have a nice lace parting right there, and it's on the side. So, if you can see, we go from ear to ear. Ear to ear. Ear to ear. So I'm just going to go ahead on and cut the lace off. And, oh, y'all, we have baby hairs. So I'm going to cut the lace off, and I'm going to style her, and I will be right back. She's beautiful. Look at her pattern. She is so beautiful. Okay. Okay, the lace is off of her, and she is gorgeous. I'm going to take more lace off right there, and I'm going to probably put her down with some bold hold. The bold hold right there. So let's go ahead on and get to work. Okay guys, so what I'm going to use is some even tinted lace spray, and it is in medium brown. And I'm going to go ahead on and spray this area right here. Really lightly. I blow it because, you know, it's spray, y'all. It smells good, but it can be pretty strong. This is what it looked like. And this is the other side right here. I'm getting ready to finish it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry a little bit. And y'all, I have to put this on. Girl, I don't know if I want baby hairs though, even though it does come with baby hairs. Let me see what it looks like on side card. She don't have any baby hairs, so I may not do baby hairs. I may just let it be natural. Okay guys, I am finished with her, and look at her. I didn't do anything to her. I didn't use a comb, anything. I just put her on, and yeah, she's one of them get up and goes, honey. So I do want to stand up. I am getting a little shedding, guys. I think it's because I didn't cut the lace off. So I am getting some shedding here. I don't know if it's from just the wig itself. So I am getting some. But she is gorgeous. She is soft. She is so beautiful. Manageable. I'm finger combing her. Okay. It feels like I'm not getting a whole lot, but I'm still getting some. She is gorgeous. I could put like a little hair holding spray right there if I need to. Okay. Let me see. On this side, I'm going to keep going until to see if I'm getting any, you know, if all the shedding is gone. If I get too much of it, then, girl, okay. Now on this side. She is so soft. So manageable. And she is gorgeous on me, honey. I didn't put down any baby hairs at all. I just put this little, you know, little area down right there. I think that she is just so gorgeous. Get my ears out, y'all. Okay, we got the ears out. So I'm going to go ahead on and stand up. That way you can see her. She is beautiful. Okay, babies, if you would see her, look at her. Girl. Okay, she is like so cute. Let me see if I can raise your higher. And bring it down like that. She is gorgeous. Look at her, honey. She is so gorgeous. Baby girl, this wig is beautiful. Okay, here is the back. Right here. And she is beautiful. Let's bring her back. She is gorgeous, y'all. I love her. I love her. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it out the way, honey. It's called the Vice HD Lace Wig. And it's the heating setting is from 350 to 400 only. So remember 350 to 400 that you could put your curling iron on or whatever you want to put it on, or the flat iron, whatever. It's a Vice Unit 2 100% premium fiber. I'm sorry. 100% premium fiber. I don't know what I was saying just now. So you have the others versus theirs. Beautiful. So on the back, it has the maintenance, how to take care of your wig. This is homegirl right here with the pretty outfit on. And these are the colors. This is the parting space. Girl, this parting space is beautiful. I'm happy that I still could put some concealer in here, but I'm happy that I did put some spray in it. I'm not going to put any more spray in it. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. You can wear this wig if you're going out on a date night. You can wear it for a brunch. You can wear it anytime, really. It's really nice wig. I'm going to go and probably comb her out. Did they comb her out? I don't know, but give me a second. Let me comb her out. I had the paddle, a little paddle brush, but I'm going to comb her. I just want to see how she act with being combed. Ooh, okay. Ooh, she is so soft. Okay, girl. Yes. Look at her when you comb her. So fluffy. She bounces back, baby. Okay. Oh my goodness. She is so soft, y'all. So soft. So soft. Little tangles here. You know it's synthetic, girl. Stop playing. So this is what she looks like. Beautiful. So I'm going to go take some pictures with her, y'all. That way I can give y'all a thumbnail, okay? And she is beautiful. So y'all get your hands on this is Sam's Beauty. I will have everything you need down in the description bar. That way you can get your hands on her, okay? All right, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.